Hello, my name is Scott Douglas with MarineMax of Wrightsville Beach. Today we're going to take a look at the 2024 Scout 260 LXF center console. You'll notice she has white twin 200 Mercury engines. Great cockpit layout. You see your aft seat here. If you don't need this folds right up, gets out of your way. Have a great bait prep station here with a Yeti cooler built in. Freshwater sink, cutting board, live well located aft. But one great feature of this boat is the dive door on the port side, which gives you ease of access to get in and out. Also have a ladder that goes off of that for diving. Moving forward, you have a full glass enclosure here, fiberglass hardtop, twin Garmin screens. So I've got the fish finder and the chart plotter pulled up, which is a neat setup. You also have a phone charger, VHF radio tucked right here in your face where you can easily hear it while running, and a great helm seat layout with flip down seats. One nice thing about the 260 LXF is how deep it is moving forward. Big head compartment where battery switches and keys are tucked away. And then you also have a great lounge seat forward here, which has some great storage underneath. Lift this up and you'll see your dive ladders tucked away in there. And then the forward seating here is also, so you got a really versatile boat where you can hardcore fish or be really comfortable with the family. Moving forward, you also have the windlass anchor built in here with switches here so you can operate it from up front. Freshwater wash down so you can wash your anchor down when you're done using it. If you'd like to see this boat in person, again, my name is Scott Douglas with MarineMax of Wrightsville Beach, and we can be reached at 910-256-8100. Thank you.